So we found some water here.
Yeah.
We're gonna have some fun?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if MAXX can handle it. Go MAXX. Okay, go forward. Go super fast. Take it out, 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 take it out. You got mustache. That's cool. Wait, let me take some of this grass out. Wood. Super amazing. How is it?
Wonderful.
Is it wonderful?
It's cool, this MAXX, and it's so fast and it's so powerful.
So fast and it's cool. Go back. I think it's something happened. It's too much water, I think. Wait. Come on, buddy. Let's see what's happening here. There we go. What?
That's a lot of trash in here.
Look over here. So much dirt. So much water. Let's.
Oh, it's touching out.
Now try to go. There we go.
Okay. Yeah.
Yep. Go MAXX. Welcome back.
Go super speed, and I can go all the way to there, and I can do a fast speed.
You can do it fast speed. You can do it fast speed from over here. Faster. Stop. What?
Oh yeah!
I'm doing it. You're super strong. How do you take it out? There we go.
Like exercise. Bye bye.
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 Love you.
I love you.
Do you like your friends?
Yeah, I want to go like that.